Good day. We are the group of Group 4. We are presenting our concept depends, analyzing the significance of peace and security to the growth and development of the tourism industry in our country. The first researcher will be present Shaina Mitrillanes, the background of the study.
So, hi everyone. I will elucidate the significance of peace and security to the growth and development of tourism industry in our country. As we all know, tourism is the largest industry in the world and has a big impact in different countries. So, I will elaborate how the peace and security affect the growth in tourism industry. When we travel, we will experience different kinds of character in every people that we will socialize. So, in that, we have to respect each other's belief and different point of view when it comes in their region. When we start doing those kind of things, we will develop the peace and security in our country. Tourism industry doesn't involve any borders or hatred and provide negative experience to the tourists that can affect the growth and development in tourism industry. This study creates a sustainable economy that helps to create more opportunity to stimulate other small business under the tourism industry through peace and security in our country. This study aims to realize how important to have harmony and reliability in different countries because not every country undergo to the peaceful environment. Others encounter terrorism, war, and state violence extent that cause in having a problem in their tourism industry. As soon as possible, I hope we don't come up against those kind of peace in our country. We choose this to be able to explore what's been happening under the tourism industry and be more knowledgeable. We are here in student life and nevertheless learning new things. We choose this topic to give awareness and educate people how to secure and the peace and security in our country that needs to pay attention no matter what happens because it will affect all the people who is also not responsible because we're living in the same country. As I was saying, this topic helps to give acknowledgement to maintain the peace and security in our country in the field of tourism industry. The next researcher, Loriana Urmeneta, will present the review related of literature and statement of the problem.
Baba pa, Sam. The first highlight of our related review literature will be will be that peace states that peace through tourism isn't it all about nurturing and understanding. State by Jimenez and Close C 2014. Throughout tourism, peace state that peace through tourism is all about nurturing and understanding, but it is also linked to property alleviation, conservative heritage, safety and security of the environment, and its sustainability. Peace through tourism can help the government maintain and sustain violence in one place to push the tourism industry in our country. We want to market it as a sustainable industry without harmness and violence. Global institution for the tourism industry involved tourism as possible peacemaking by Noah Herrat in 2010. The result also suggested that to explore the links between environmental and heritage. Aghasamani and Han in 2015 identified that tourism as a vehicle for promoting peace, diplomacy, and human security. They study on how tourism can help to market peace and unite other countries. They also believe that tourism could greater contribution to peace between historical adversaries. Besides this, tourism visitation is more beneficial for economic, social, and environmental development, which must be more beneficial for economic and which must be further explored and help normal citizens to own employment. They also stated by exploring this idea are often a key which may lead to better tourism and environmental destination. Moreover, she in 2015 explored that the connection between safety, security, peace, and tourism can help the government sustain the peace within the country. Through this, it can help the industry to market its sector and also promote peace within the country. Next is statement of the problems and its objective. Pababa ako, Sam. Statement of the problem.
Okay na.
Statement of the problem. This study aimed to analyze the significance of peace and security to the growth and development of tourism industry in our country. The paper aimed to aim to the following problems. What is the significance of peace and security to the growth and development of tourism industry to our country? Why peace and security has a big impact in developing tourism industry? What are the advantages of peace and security in our developing and growth tourism industry? What government can do to promote peace and security to growth and development of the tourism industry in our country? The objectives will be to analyze the significance of peace and security to the growth and development of tourism industry in our country, to study the relationship of peace and security to our tourism industry, and to discuss the role of peace and security in the development of our tourism industry. The next researcher will be present the methodology, Brian Santillan.
Hello, the methodology. We the researcher conduct a survey throughout online. The goal of this study is to analyze the significance of peace and security in the growth and development of tourism industry in our country, which we use qualitative type of social science, which it collects and work with non-numerical, this meaning that it help understand throughout the study targeted population of places. Qualitative can be observed but not measured numerical other than quantitative. It should be numerical counted. Uh,
Then
yeah, the
the
next
next is
is
the depends questionnaire. The first question was, what is the main purpose of your presentation and what is your motivation for doing the paper? Akin yan, wait. The purpose of our presentation is to discuss and be understand the significance of peace and security in tourism industry for country. We will present on how the security are related in the field of tourism. The research purpose was to study the impact of peace and security and how this matter affects to the field of tourism. Peace and security is the most crucial issue in the Philippines. We had a law enforcement when it comes to security. As a researcher, we observed that peace and security is connected to development of tourism industry. And we also observe how tourism can improve peace in many regions by versa. We conduct this study to show to the audience and reader that peace and security can improve our tourism, that can increase our economy and give 1,000 jobs for its people. The researcher motivation to do this study is the decrease in tourists in our country. Researcher observed that even we are in the top 10 most beautiful country in the world, there are some tourists who hesitate to visit our country because of the lack of security of our country that give bad feedback to the potential tourists. The researcher is a tourist student who observed that this matter is need to be studied because it might help the reader to understand that peace and security can help to develop and growth of our tourism industry in the future. The next question is, what are the salient points and how did you gather these details? The research and salient points in this study is to see peace and security is related to the growth and development of tourism industry in our country. Researchers want to highlight the importance of peace and security to one place and safetyness of its citizens. How can peace help tourism industry to grow and develop, and how can tourism industry help sustain peace in one country? The researcher gathered the details by further study about the topic. Researcher conduct a survey through online and gather some information from it. Researchers also use internet and look to other related study about the topic that gave us more information about the topic. We also observe the growth and development of our tourism industry by seeing it in the news or internet. We gather this all information from smaller to bigger and use it to conduct in this study. The next question is how will your study contribute to society?
Our study will contribute and also give a reminder in every people to always maintain the peace and security in our country and anywhere they visit. Because when we travel, we carry the name of our country and will left behind if we did wrong or break the rules against them. Always remember that don't do unto others what you don't want others to do unto to you. It's free to have a good personality towards the good image of our beloved country and remember as an upstanding country to visit.
The next question will be what limitation have you encountered in the study and how did you address it? The limitation that we encounter as a researcher while conducting this study is when study shows many aspects when it comes to peace and how it can sustain. Researchers only focus on the field of tourism to determine the significance of peace and security when it comes to the growth and development of tourism industry in our country. The next, the next question, what recommendations are needed to resolve the issue you have presented?
The recommendations are needed to resolve these issues are the political situation must cross the transitional phase as soon as possible and come to a stable state, which will enforce inf- infrastructure development. Political stability will not only enhance development such as air transportation and accommodation, but would also help highlight destinations that have not yet been discovered. Therefore, with modern infrastructure plans and scientific marketing policies, areas that have not yet drawn attention of tourists can also enjoy tourism benefits. Decentralizing tourism and distributing benefits can promote living standards of people, which ultimately will lead to improved peaceful conditions. And also, there should be more professional tourism education provided at school and university levels, which helps producing tourism experts that will pioneer tourism development in the future and important increase, tourist, increase tourism benefits. These experts will benefit economically, but will also identify issues such as sustainability, marketing, having become equipped with professional in the industry. Tourism can achieve significant growth provided quality service to the tourists and ultimately make societies prosperous by offering unlimited treasures. Prosperity in society is the foundation of peace, and peaceful societies indicate the establishment of stable peace in the world nation.
That will be the concept defense of Group 4. And thank you for listening to our defense.